Friday night behind the old feed store, bonfire burning, trucks lined up galore. Radio cranking out some Skinner, half the county standing in a circle. Billy Ray said, boys, I got a plan. Pointed at a ramp made of plywood and cans. Rusty Chevy sitting by the dish. Everybody knew this was about to get rich. Yeah. Somebody said that ain't gonna end right, but nobody listens on a Friday night. Hold my beer and watch this. Last words of a redneck wish. Bad ideas start just like this. Little too loud with a rebel twist. Dust gonna fly, tires gonna spin. Crowd yelling, do it again. Might crash, might fly, might need stitches, but legends start with hold my beer and watch this. Somebody rolled out a busted dirty bike, duct tape holding half the thing tight. Jimmy lit a bottle, rocket fuse, said strap it on, we got nothing to lose. Engine screamed like a chainsaw fight, hit that ramp in the truck headlights. Bike went higher than a county fair ride. Half the folks running, half the folks crying. Silence hit for about 2 seconds flat, then somebody yelled, did y'all see that? Hold my beer and watch this. Last words of a redneck wish. Bad ideas start just like this. Little too wild with a rebel twist. Smoke in the air, crowd going nuts. Somebody film it on a busted iPhone. Might crash, might fly, might need stitches, but legends start with hold my beer and watch this. Bike planted sideways in a pile of hay. Billy Ray crawled out yelling, I'm okay. Hair on fire, but the crowd went wild. Someone handed him another cold one slide. Hold my beer and watch this. Every town's got a story like this, where dumb luck turned into a hit, and the whole giant county witnessed it. Bonfire burning, crowd going nuts. Sheriff pulled up, but it just slipped. Might be crazy, but nobody switches. A story that starts with hold my